Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's April 12th, 2020. It's pretty empty out here, really. I'm at Whole Foods right now. It's about noon, but take a look here. You got people wiping the carts down, as usual. And look at this. Look at the power of the mainstream news, what it's doing to people. It's so freaking sad. You know, I don't like sitting there calling them names and sheep and this and that, but my God, they're just falling for this. And we've been talking to them about chemtrails forever and telling people, lots of us have, and they don't even care. And they call us conspiracy theorists and all that stuff. But now the mainstream news, the same ones that lie about the sky, will tell them that there's this invisible enemy out there. It's going to get them. So look at this, man. Look how it turns out. Wearing the mask, reinfecting yourself if you do have something, and it's really sad. Look at this. Wow, man, I'm almost afraid to be out here. I feel like the fugitive because I'm not wearing a mask. It's really sad. All right, take care, guys. Oh, wait a minute. Does this go around the corner too? Oh, look, there's even more around the corner here. Oh, God. All right, we're in the Twilight Zone. It's official. Take care, guys.